Hello students, this is a question from JEE Mains 2026, 28 Jan morning shift. The question is from indefinite integration. The concept used in this question is by parts. So let us see the question. If integration 1 minus 5 cos square x by sin power 5x into cos square x dx is equal to f of x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Then f of pi by 6 minus f of pi by 4 is equal. So take down the question first. So separate the denominator, separate the numerator. That becomes 1 by sin power 5x into cos square x minus 5 cos square x by sin power 5x into cos square x dx. Cancel out these two terms and do solve only this part. This part of the numerical you have to solve. That is cosecant power 5x into secant square x dx minus 5 times of cosecant power 5x dx. So now only this part I'll be solving. Take this as second function as we can integrate this and take this one as first function. According to the concept of the by part, if you have f of x into g of x, f of x is the first function and g of x is the second function. First function into integration of the second function minus whole integration of derivative of the first function into integration of the second function whole dx. So basing on that concept we have out here, the derivative, the first function into integration of secant square x dx will give you tan x. So that is into tan x minus whole integration of derivative of cosecant. This one will become, and send it 5 outside, cosecant power 4x, because this is x power 5 derivative, and inner derivative of cosecant x is minus of minus, this becomes plus because it's minus cosecant x into cot x. Cosecant x into cot x, and integration of the second function is tan x dx, whole dx, minus 5 times of cosecant power 5x dx. Now cosecant power 5x into tan x. When you solve this part, this becomes 5 times of this into this will become cosecant power 5x. Cosecant into cot into tan x will become 1 minus 5 times of cosecant power 5x dx. So if you see clearly, these two are looking same. So this can be cancelled out. The resultant will be tan x by, this can be written as sin power 5x plus c, which is nothing but f of x plus c. So if you solve this part once again, you're gonna get tan x can be written as sin x by cos x into 1 by sin power 5x plus c. Sin power 4 from 5 you get cancelled, it become 4. So this becomes what? F of x is equal to 1 upon cos x into sin power 4x. Now you got f of x value. Now you need to find f of pi by 6 minus f of pi by 4. F of x is equal to, you got 1 by cos x into sin power 4x. It's asking you to find f of pi by 6 minus f of pi by 4. Now if you substitute, now you need to substitute the value of pi by 6 in the place of x. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 and cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Fine. So f of pi by 6, the value of f of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by, this becomes root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 4. That's nothing but 32 by root 3, because 2 power 5 is 32 by root 3. And you have f of pi by 4, that is 1 by root 1 by root 2. This becomes 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 whole power 4, that is 1 by root 2 whole power 5. This is nothing but 4 root 2, because it becomes root 2 whole power 5. Got it? That's nothing but, you can write it as root 2 whole power 4 as 4 root 2 whole power 4 into root 2 is nothing but 4 root 2. This is the calculation we got. Now f of pi by 6 minus f of pi by 4 is equal to 32 by root 3 minus 4 root 2. This is nothing but, if I take out, what do you get? If I take out 4 common from this, this becomes 8 by root 3 minus root 2. It's nothing but 4 by root 3 into 8 minus root 6. So this is your final answer. Thank you.